Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So reading ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Let's start your reading. Paki-subscribe na lang yung ating other channels, guys. Don't forget. Earth sign Philippines, you are an Earth sign Virgo, so please do check it out. Isang shuffle na lang po. Okay. You do have here the Eight of Wands. The Hierophant is also here. Page of Swords and the Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. Yung main energy mo, ang dami mong pinagbago. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi maganda yung past mo. You have a lot of experiences, whether nung kabataan mo pa or what, na malaki na yung pinagbago mo ngayon na kung ihaharap ka sa dating ikaw, kung makikita ka ng ibang tao, mas sila mismo makakapagsabi, yung mga taong nakakita ng kabataan mo, na malaki na yung pinagbago mo. And the Hierophant, a lot of lessons spiritually, a lot of lessons sa buhay mo ang naging dahilan kaya itong pagbabago na ito is na-experience mo para talaga matutunan mo yung mga lesson na yun. The person that you're dealing with, I feel like kabataan mo rin itong person na to. This is a person from your past. Either kabataan mo pa or may connection kayo through a child. The Two of Swords, etong person na to is, I feel like naaalala ka pa rin niya hanggang ngayon. Yeah, lagi ka naaalala din ng person na ito. Kuha pa tayong mga cards. For Virgo, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Page of Wands is here. Eight of Swords. Okay. Strength card. Eight of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Energy, Scorpio. With the Death card. Bottom of the deck. Major Arcana. Strength card and Death card. Pwede ngayon wala kayong communication itong person na to. You are stuck into something. Kaya kung bakit hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng communication. Itong person to, nagmamatigas din siya sa ngayon. And I feel like, with the Eight of Pentacles, pwedeng pareho kayong may reason kung bakit hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng connection ngayon. Yung iba pwedeng may boundaries or hindi pwede. Yung iba stuck sa something kaya hindi magawa itong connection na ito. And with the Eight of Pentacles, I feel like itong person na to is tinatry niyang enjoyin kung ano man yung mga bagay sa paligid niya ngayon. Nakakita nga pala ako ng vitamins. I don't know kung iinom ka ba ng vitamins or umiinom ka ng vitamins while watching. Gusto kong makita yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa. You do have the King of Pentacles. the Tower. Ten of Wands. Three of Wands. The Seven of Wands is also here. And the Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So, nakikita natin you do have other choices. Pareho kayo na may other choices, other connections. With the King of Pentacles and the Tower. So, ngayon, wala akong nakukuha ang energy or emotions sa'yo. But rather, kung ano yung mga meron ka sa buhay mo ngayon, or kung sino yung mga tao sa paligid mo ngayon, these are the people na tinatry mo mag-concentrate. Like, wala kang pakialam dito sa person na ito in the past. Okay? Kung ano yung siguradong sa'yo ngayon, yun yung focus mo. Pwedeng minsan nang naging parte ng buhay mo itong person na to, pero with the Tower, nakikita natin nag-end na yon, and yeah, you're focusing on other stuff or other things sa buhay mo. Itong person na ito, emotions niya for you, namimiss ka niya eh. May other connections din sa buhay niya, pero merong parte sa'yo na pinagsamahan ninyo nitong taong to na mahirap kalimutan, mahirap i-let go. And with the Ten of Wands, I feel like itong person na to is tinatry niyang ayusin ngayon ang buhay niya. Pero yun nga, namimiss ka niya. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Two of Cups is here, Four of Pentacles. The Death card. Two of Pentacles is here. Ten of Swords. Well, nakikita natin yung connection ninyo nitong person na to. For you, in the near future, nagkakaroon pa rin ng boundaries sa inyo nitong person na to. Nakakita tayo ng rebirth or new beginning for you, or muling magbabalik sa'yo. Muling mababalik na, I'm seeing career, na pwedeng minsan mo na binitawan or natapos sa buhay mo, pero mababalik itong particular career na ito. Something is going to end. Bago mabalik itong career na ito, may mag-e-end muna. Pero this is for the better. I see her with the Two of Cups, may partnership. So, may ibang tao na magiging involved dito na parang mababalik ito, pero sa tulong nitong taong ito. Wala akong nakikita sa connection ninyo ng person na nakuha natin dito. Nakakita tayo tuloy-tuloy ang disconnection. Yeah. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.